Hi, just a short video to show you the condition of this Miele Complete C3 cat and dog PowerLine, model number SGEF3. So it comes in full working order. It has been thoroughly cleaned, does have dust in tight places, and does have used scratch marks. I don't know if you can see them. There's some scratches here, and just general slight knocks. It comes with the original tools, as you can see. All the filters have been cleaned, new filter, a new bag. I'll just show it working without the hose connected first of all. It is plugged in. And being a Miele, these are very powerful. I'll just try to put it together one-handed. I've taken the head, it's only plastic, I've taken it fully apart and cleaned it, but also dust in tight places. So it's very powerful. Very hard to do one-handed. So the handle's telescopic as well. I can't actually do that one-handed, but it is telescopic. So good clean condition. Does have some used marks. Perfect working order. Any questions at all, please just ask. Thank you.